Hey Quizlets, ready for another challenge? Welcome to Quiz or Fun, where fun and learning meet. Subscribe for more and let's dive in. What is the Home Secretary responsible for? Policing. Is St Helena part of the UK? False. Do Church of England bishops sit in the House of Lords? True. What must a dog wear in public places? Collar with owner's details. Women over 30 got voting rights after which war? World War I? When did Ireland become a republic? (1949). Where did the first farmers in Britain come from? Southeast Europe. Who was a major contributor to pop art in the 1960s? David Hockney. Who led Britain during World War II? Churchill. Who led the first invasion of Britain? Caesar. Which king united England to defeat the Vikings? Alfred the Great. When was the Magna Carta created? (1215). Are Northern Ireland banknotes valid across the UK? True. Which Shakespeare play is listed here? Midsummer Night's Dream. How many jury members are there in England? (12). Which two religions celebrate Diwali? Hindus is 6. What does Good Friday mark? Jesus' death. Is St. Patrick's Day a public holiday in Northern Ireland? True. What was the last successful invasion of England? Norman Conquest. Where are the crown jewels kept? Tower of London. Which sport started in 15th century Scotland? Golf. Who first printed books in England? Caxton. Which court handles minor criminal cases in England? Magistrates' Court. What did John Logie Baird develop? Television. Thanks for playing, Quizlets. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun challenges. See you in the next quiz.